Hello students, this is a preview of lesson 1.17.2, American English Lessons with Maestro Sersea. Today we will work on your English listening and reading comprehension via 3 of our conversation topics for English learners activities. So, part 1, watch the video, read the text below, translate the text in your primary language, and read it again. Then we do the same thing for part 2. You watch the video, you read the text below, and then you translate the text using the translate buttons here. And you read it in that language. Then you click on the American flag to go back to English, and you watch the next video, you read the text below, you translate into the language that you speak best, and then you read it into that language. And finally, you can leave us a comment. Today I learned, and you tell us what you learned. You put your name and you put your email and you click post comment. Okay, thank you very much for working so hard. This was a preview of lesson 1.17.2.